Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now, through this video, I am going to start final and the last method for computation of goodwill. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Under this method, goodwill is calculated by capitalizing the value of average profit. If you remember, in last class I taught you capitalization of super profit method, and that capitalized value is computed by dividing super profit with normal rate of return. Similarly, in this case, first we have to calculate the capitalized value of average profit. And how we can compute? We will compute capitalized value of average profit by dividing average profit with normal rate of return. Once you get the capitalized value of average profit, the difference between capitalized value of average profit and actual capital employed is termed as goodwill. So, for better understanding, goodwill under this method means capitalized value of average profit less actual capital employed. Once you get the value of goodwill, for better understanding, I'll tell you the steps for computing goodwill. Under this method, steps for computing goodwill are: first, we will compute capitalized value of average profit, and that is similar to super profit. In previous method, we divide super profit by normal rate of return for computing capitalized value of super profit. Similarly, in this case, for computing capitalized value of average profit, we will divide, in place of super profit, average profit by normal rate of return, and we will get capitalized value of average profit. Once we get capitalized value of average profit, your next step is to compute actual capital employed. And how we can compute actual capital employed? We can compute actual capital employed by subtracting outsiders liabilities from total assets. And again, total assets exclude which three things we have to exclude? Non-trade investment, goodwill, and fictitious assets. Now, after reducing external liabilities from that, you will get goodwill. Now, next and final step is for computing goodwill is step 1 minus step 2. That is capitalized value of average profit minus actual capital employed. After knowing steps for computing goodwill through capitalization of average profit method, for better understanding, I am doing one practical problem. In the given problem, a firm makes a profit of 3 lakh and they are asking you to calculate goodwill by capitalization method. Here, capitalization method means capitalization of average profit, and the value of asset and liabilities is given to you. With that, normal rate of return is also given to you. Now, we will substitute the relevant information in the steps which I just told you. Now, first step is capitalized value of average profit, and if you remember, capitalized value is computed by dividing average profit with normal rate of return. And in the given problem, average profit is 3 lakh and normal rate of return is 15%. And when we divide 3 lakh by 15%, we will get rupees 20 lakh as outcome. Now, once you get the value of capitalized value of average profit, your next step is to compute actual capital employed. And here, actual capital employed means total assets less outsiders liabilities. One thing you should remember again, total asset means assets exclude intangible assets. Second, fictitious assets. Third, non-trade investments. Now, here we will write the value of total asset. Total assets are of rupees 17 lakh and outsiders liabilities are of rupees 2 lakh. When we subtract 2 lakh from 17 lakh, we will get 15 lakh as actual capital employed. And finally, the last step for computing goodwill, that is step 1 minus step 2. It means 20 lakh minus 15 lakh, and we will get 5 lakh as goodwill. Now, once you get the value of goodwill, you should remember that the value of goodwill which we get through capitalization of average profit method is equal to capitalized value which we computed from super profit method are same. I'm repeating it again. The answer which you get through capitalization of super profit method and the answer which you get capitalization of average profit method, they are always same, because in both the cases we are using capitalization of extra profit. Finally, goodbye, and in next class we will start doing revision. Thank you.